Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's obviously enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before starting this video. It is in case to show you the actual difference after resetting the options. So if we are on the camera, all we have to do is to simply tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find restore defaults. Let's tap on it. Your device is informing you that the camera settings will be restored to their default values, so simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first question which camera asks you is that it wants to have the access to the location. So let me deny it for this moment, and the second evidence that the reset option worked is the camera itself. So we cannot see the grid lines which I've previously applied, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.